say bad boy. I'm just kidding. Joshua Jacob. Why don't you just name Joshua Jacob?
I don't know.
It sounds pretty. Joshua Jacob.
Oh, so you're recording the bad side of Myra?
The what?
We'll go to for work and then we record the nice Myra.
I know, we should.
Yeah, I'm off the clock. Hey, we should go to YouTube. They put my sister on YouTube. On the motorcycle.
They did?
Yeah.
I uploaded the video, Jay's video, the school one, to MySpace.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Stop!
Ay.
No, niña. Ay, está niña.
They want to dress like Jay. Huh? He's a movie star.
Ay, está niña.
Hello, people we don't know. You're gonna mess up my lens. Sorry, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to.
She cut her nails in the night. You peeled my skin.
You peeled my skin.
That's why I did it.
Hello. Angry Myra. Dude, you had no right.
Look what you did to me.
That video was lost, Myra.